Other select tools in Blender. Like many other modern graphical programs, Blender has several versions of many tools hidden under one button. Left-click and hold the mouse button down on the box select button in the toolbar to see that there are tweak, circle, and lasso versions. The circle select is more like a select paintbrush. You paint the vertices that you want to select. Circle select has fewer modes, but adds the ability to change the radius of the brush. When you are in edit mode, there are several buttons for choosing what types of things to select. These are on the left side of the 3D Viewport's header menu. So far, we've been selecting only vertices, but you can change this to select edges or faces or combinations. When you are selecting faces and are in X-ray mode, each face has a little dot in the middle, so you can tell where to move the cursor to select that face. If you turn X-ray mode off, then if the circle select touches any part of a face, it becomes selected. I'd recommend that you play with all the different select tools and the modes and the types of selections. Although in box select mode, I would recommend you avoid the invert mode and the intersect mode for now. They're kind of complicated logic, although maybe you should play with them and figure them out.